Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Korean. Today we will try to do the display comparison between the Poco F3 versus the Poco X3 smartphone. So right now I am using the Poco F3, which is also called as the Redmi K40 device as well, as you can see. So both phones are having the same kind of naming and all the specifications. So in the Poco X3, so let's see friends, what is the display capabilities of the Poco X3 versus this premium end smartphone. I'm using the Poco X3 for the past, I think, close to 200 days of usage. So very soon I'll be doing a review on that one, 200 days of using. So the Poco F3, I did started to use for only the couple of days only. So before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends. Don't forget to subscribe because I'll be doing so many in-depth reviews on this Poco F3 model particularly. So stay tuned by following my playlist which I have created only for the Poco F3 users. You'll find so many amazing videos and a lot of in-depth comparisons as well. So first let's compare the basic hardware. Then next step is to see what are the options which are available in the settings. Then next third step is to compare the footage. So these are how I do my all the display comparison reviews. So just to be clear on all the specifications. So Poco F3 is using the Super AMOLED 120Hz. The Poco X3 is using IPS LCD 120Hz. So HDR10 plus certified and HDR10 certified only in the X3, as you can see. And same screen size. So same screen size, same resolution, same Gorilla Glass 5 protection. So only difference is Super AMOLED and the IPS LCD, and the brightness 1000 nits, 450 nits in the Poco X3. So now we got to know the basic hardware specifications. So now let's move to the software specifications which is present in the display options. So go to the display, and under the display you do find this kind of options which is a refresh rate and the color scheme. In the color scheme you do get same kind of options, as you can see. So let me try to use the same settings when I'm doing this kind of display review. So these are the options you do get here. If you go to the advanced, you do have different so many options. So there is a lot of customization options available in this Poco F3. Not only that, you do have this HDR mode enhancement as well, as you can see here. There's so many in-display options is available friends in the Poco F3 device. So now let me try to play the same video in both the phones and compare. Let's see which phone will perform the best in terms of the display colors. So let me try to quickly open the MX player and start playing the video. So here's a video which I'm trying to play. Let me try to play it from the beginning, and full brightness I'm trying to play. And one thing, if you notice, the brightness on this Poco F3 is very much good. So pretty much high. And both phones I'm using to the maximum to the brightness. So maximum brightness I'm using right now. You can see it clearly. And you can see the difference in the tiny punch hole as well. So that's another advantage. And you can see the sky. This is how it looks. It's really good watching in this Poco F3. And you do have the same kind of video filters here. So you will get additional filters in this phone because of having the Super AMOLED panel. You do get so many advantages. Extra 7 filters you will be getting here. And these filters will change all the colors of this video as well. Cinematic mode, all those things, as you can see. But for video testing, I'm trying to use only the normal virginal colors. So both are really great in terms of the viewing angles. So no problems in terms of the viewing angles. Both looks amazing. And do let me know in the comments below friends, what are the other things you want me to compare with other smartphones. Definitely I'll do my best to compare that kind of videos. So that's it for this video friends. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.